Hey everybody, it's Wendy. I am so excited to show you the cling stamps from Stampin' Up! Today. Now these will not be available till January 3rd in the 2019 Occasions catalog, but I wanted to show you how to put them together and tell you a few tips and tricks on how they work since they're new to us. All right, so the first step is just like any other stamp. You just peel off this release paper, the backing, and then the difference here for me is you're going to peel away this release paper on the back of the sticker and leave the sticker in place. You're then going to turn your stamp upside down and you're going to place the stamp over the sticker and push down to pick the sticker up. Now, in the past, I always peeled the sticker off, trimmed around the edges of the sticker, and then applied the sticker to the stamp. But these are so super sticky that you are never going to have to worry about your stamps falling off your clear blocks again. So instead of having clear stamps, we now will have cling. The other trick I wanted to show you is look how they stay in place in your container. Isn't that cool? Now, we have a couple things I want to warn you about. Look how hard these stay on. I mean, this one particularly peeled up really easily, of course, when I was demoing. But some of them will stick really, really strongly to your blocks and to your cases. In that case, what you want to do is use something to kind of scoop underneath. I'm showing you again here. You're going to want to use something to scoop underneath and pick up the stamp. If you don't do that, you could tear the stamp or you could tear the rubber away from the cling. So you see here how hard this one is to get off. So I'm actually going to go and scoop underneath it with my take a pick tool and pull it up. It's one little extra step, but the benefits of this situation are amazing. You never have to worry about your stuff falling off of the clear blocks. So I just wanted to do this really quick video giving you those tips, letting you know about them. Also, if they don't stay sticky, you can simply wet them and they'll be re-sticky again. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.